In this video, we'll show you how to download and install Respondus LockDown browser on your Windows computer. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to it.miami.edu/respondus. When prompted, enter your login ID and password. Then, authenticate with MFA. From the Respondus webpage, scroll down to the Students section, then click Download the Respondus LockDown browser. On the Respondus download page, click the Download button to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, locate the file and click to launch the installer. Once the installer opens, select your preferred language and click Next. When prompted, accept the license agreement and then click Next. Once installation is complete, click Finish. You have successfully installed Respondus LockDown browser. You can find the application on your Windows home screen titled LockDown Browser. For additional support, please visit our website or contact the Student Technology Help Desk.